Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauerkraut taste good. First, select fresh, firm cabbage, as its quality directly impacts the final flavor. Next, ensure you use the correct salt ratio, about 2% of the cabbage's weight, to facilitate proper fermentation. Maintain a consistent fermentation temperature, ideally between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal bacterial activity and flavor development. This careful approach ensures a delicious, tangy result. To elevate your sauerkraut's taste, consider adding flavor enhancers during fermentation. Caraway seeds or juniper berries offer a classic, earthy note that many enjoy. For a touch of sweetness and vibrant color, shredded carrots or apples are excellent choices. If you prefer a more aromatic profile, a few cloves of garlic or fresh dill sprigs can provide a delightful twist. Experiment to find your perfect combination. After fermentation, how you prepare your sauerkraut can further enhance its appeal. If it tastes too salty, a quick, light rinse can help. When cooking, use gentle heat to warm it through, preserving the beneficial probiotics. Sauerkraut pairs wonderfully with rich meats like pork or sausages, and it also complements savory dishes beautifully. Its tangy profile cuts through richness, creating a balanced meal. Proper storage is key to enjoying your delicious sauerkraut for longer. Transfer it to airtight jars and refrigerate to maintain freshness and halt fermentation. Serve it chilled as a refreshing, tangy side dish or incorporate it into your favorite recipes. It's incredibly versatile, and speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade sauerkraut.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.